Hey everyone, did you ever hear the story that dinosaurs were already on the decline before that infamous asteroid hit? Well, buckle up, because a new study just flipped that narrative on its head. Researchers from University College London have been diving deep into the late Cretaceous period, analyzing over 8,000 North American dinosaur fossils. And guess what? They argue that dinosaurs weren't necessarily declining before the asteroid impact 66 million years ago. So what's this all about? The study suggests that the apparent decline in dinosaur species we see in the fossil record might actually be due to the poorer quality of the fossil record itself. Yeah, you heard me right. It's not that the dinosaurs were disappearing, but rather that the fossil record from that time isn't as complete as we thought. Using occupancy modeling, researchers estimated the likelihood of 4 dinosaur groups inhabiting different areas of North America. The results were super interesting. Turns out the potential habitat for these dinosaurs remained stable throughout the period. That means the dinosaurs were likely not at a high risk of extinction. But there's more. The study found something special about the ceratopsians, like our friend Triceratops. These dinosaurs seem to have a higher likelihood of being detected later in the period, possibly because they preferred the plains that became more common as a large inland sea retreated. So, what's the takeaway here? This study suggests that dinosaurs might have been thriving right up until that asteroid slammed into Earth. Their extinction wasn't a slow decline, but was most likely triggered by that one catastrophic event. Isn't science amazing? It keeps rewriting the story of our planet one fossil at a time. Alright, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cool science updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.